1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. An LS2 swap, so 6-liter LS2 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at this front fascia, grille, headlights. Couple spots where it shows some little stress marks right there, another up top. But as you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Car has a great look. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front, billet specialties, polished wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, it's black. You're going to find an imperfection here or there, but overall this car has a very nice look to it. Black vinyl interior, bucket seat, center console. There's that 5-speed manual. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you watch to the very end, Jason will take this car for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Does have a new interior. Car has been ceramic coated. Also, if you look at the underside picture, you're going to notice Hotchkiss suspension components as well as frame connectors underneath there. And if you like Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can see this driver's side, also in nice shape, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint almost looks like it's wet. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Door panels, nice shape. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Again, newer interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So fuel injected. Aftermarket gauge cluster. Got water temp and oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I would expect temp to be up. Dash looks good. And obviously with the LS2 underneath there, this thing sounds healthy. Headliner. Sounding good. A little rumble coming out of that V8. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood pop, check out the engine bay. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about engine bay? There it is. 6-liter power, cold air intake, power steering, power brakes, of course, aluminum heads. Also has headers. And aluminum radiator. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com, all those still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro in black. A little bit of striping, very 1978. This is a 5-speed manual. A little bit upgraded power plant, making this car even more fun. Let's see how she does on the road. Good acceleration. Nice tough sounding Camaro actually. The gauges are working, the fuel gauge showing about a half of a tank. The volts are over 14. And down below for oil pressure we have odometer gauges showing 50 psi and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The factory temp is not reading. We have a clock over here. The tachometer does not move, but the speedometer is moving and it does read high. Great looking interior. Exterior also good. Black on black. We got vinyl bucket seats. Nice rumble to this car. Power steering working very well. Quarters nice and flat. Fun part is of course putting your right foot down. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1978 black Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.